What's up, social? Stick around. Hallo. Ik kijk in. Geez, I got a surprise today. Let's see what we got today. Excited. Excited. Cheese. Yes. This is my coffee machine. There it is. So I will unbox it and in 1 minute I will try it. Stay with us. Nice cappuccino for today. Yeah. Lovely. So excited. Let's see. Ooh. This is for the capsule. I actually already bought the capsules. For this machine you need 2 capsules for the Latte Macchiato. And what I like in this coffee machine is it heats immediately, it is quick, and you can adjust the amount of coffee you have. Here it is. Nice cable, by the way. Just have some. Are you ready for the surprise? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Yuppie! Oh, isn't this beautiful? So this is my Dolce Gusto from Nescafe. It's a nice gift. I love it. You can actually adjust here the level of your coffee, and then here you can see it is automatic. It heats very fast. Stay with us. I will try it in 1 minute. Manual. It's very easy to use. This machine has an excellent design. Look at this. It's kind of completely transparent. You can feel the water here. Nearly 1 liter, and that's enough. Here are my capsules here. Here it is. So this is my cappuccino. I have my favorite Starbucks. I bought 3 boxes, 1, 2, 3, and this is my caramel latte macchiato. Of course, you need 2 capsules, 1 for the milk. You need 1 for the milk and 1 for the coffee. So each time, unfortunately, you will need 2 capsules, and it's ready. Stick around. You see here for the milk, you need 200 milliliters. You see you have 5 bars here. And then for coffee, you need only 40 milliliters for the coffee. Then you adjust in the coffee machine the level of liquid you need. You put the water in place. So I take this capsule holder. Here it's very easy. You can see you don't need the filter. You don't need this filter for now. We start, as you can see, with the milk. And that's it. Now I try the cappuccino. First goes the milk, then the coffee. You see here 5 bars, but I prefer to put 6 bars. It depends how much milk do you want. You adjust your bars. And this is the great thing with this coffee machine. You can actually adjust right here the level of milk you desire. Easy to close the holder, and it's ready. Very simple. Then it goes in like this. You close. Now I try the cappuccino. First goes the milk, then the coffee. Now we wait until, now the milk is ready, and then it's time for the coffee. And what we do now, we remove the capsule, and then we add the capsule for the coffee. Very easy to remove the capsule, you can see. And that's it. Here you can see it is indicated 1 bar for the cappuccino but I prefer 2 bars because actually it's a little bit so concentrated. So I prefer a little bit more coffee than only 1 bar. But it's up to you. Here it is. It goes right here. Just close it like this. Close it like this. And it goes here. Just goes here. Close this clappy. Then we adjust 2 bars as we said for the cappuccino. Normally only 1 bar, but I want a little more coffee. Then we turn it on here. And that's it. What a wonderful, phenomenal cappuccino. Phenomenal cappuccino. Check this out. The coffee is moving. Let me just take my latte macchiato. There it is. So I was just waiting for my cake. Here it is. Latte macchiato is here. This is one of my best moments in life. Delicious, trust me. And with latte macchiato, it's another story. Like and share. Stay with us. It is very simple, very easy. And you can see it goes just right here. You close this clappy. That's it. And then you adjust. May prefer to have a maximum of milk. Consider to put a big glass because there will be big amount of coffee. Then you turn this red button to the right side. The coffee is ready. Here it is. And then the coffee is coming. Here it is, my first cappuccino from Dolce Gusto. Ah, what a flavor! It's great. So I let you hear. If you like this coffee, if you like Dolce Gusto, give a comment, give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and tell me what you think. Support me. Thank you so much.